the vowels. Okay. Please read the vowels for us one time.
A, E, I, O, U.
Now what is the sound of A?
A.
What is the sound of E?
A.
Do you know, Chandralekha? If you don't know, just say don't know. I'm going to tell you, that's all. E. The sound of I is
E. O.
Sound of U is Okay. Thank you, Chandralekha. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear. Rifaya, please unmute. Rifaya, please tell the sounds of these vowels.
A.
Okay.
E.
No, the sound of E is A. As in elephant. A.
A.
Okay.
I.
No, the sound of I is, please listen, Rifaya, the sound of I is not I, the sound of I is E, as in insect. What is the sound of O?
O.
It is not O, it is A, as in orange. Okay, dear. What is the sound of U? As in umbrella. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Rifaya. Thank you so much. Now, I want Selvarajan, please unmute. Selvarajan, please quick. Okay, Kanishka wants me to repeat the sound. Of course, I can do it. Listen, children. The sound of A is, you all should open your mouth and tell along with me. The sound of A is A. A, as in ant. A, ant. A. All open your mouth and tell along with me. A. And the sound of E is A. As in elephant. Egg. A. A.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all repeating after me?
Yes, ma'am.
A. Okay, what is this, Selvarajan?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's this? Okay, Selvarajan, please repeat after me. Okay. So everyone repeat along with Selvarajan. The sound of E is A. A. As in elephant.
Elephant.
Very good. A. Elephant. A. Egg. Okay. Now, the third letter is I. The sound of I is
E.
as in insect. As in igloo. E.
Igloo.
Or, yeah. Igloo. E. Next, the sound of O is O. As in ostrich. Orange.
Orange.
A. A. Repeat after me, Selvaraghavan. A. Okay. Next, the sound of who is this talking with me now? Is this Selvarajan or someone else? Is this Ashmita? Okay. Ashmita, please mute your call. Only Selvarajan should tell along with me. Please don't unmute yourself without permission, please. Okay. Next, the sound of O is A. The sound of U is A. As in umbrella.
Umbrella.
Earn.
On.
Earn. So these are the sounds of the vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The sounds are A, E, A, E. Okay. Thank you, Selvarajan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you're welcome, dear. Ranjana, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell the sounds of these letters? Thank you so much, Ranjana. Thank you. You're right. Okay. So, in your textbook, you will have an exercise. Okay. Just listen. I'm just telling you how to do it. After that, I will share this worksheet in the Google class. Okay. So, you have to, first I'm reading this. Look at these pictures. Fill in the blanks with the correct vowels to complete these words. So, I am calling Sherwin. Sherwin, what is the first picture, Sherwin? Okay, listen, I am getting lot of voice disturbances. It might really affect the voice clarity of me. So please, I am going to put in Q&A option. If you want to talk, you have to click it Q&A. Then I will unmute you. Okay. Sherwin? Yeah, I can hear you, Sherwin. What is the first picture you are seeing on the screen?
10.
10. So what will come between T and N?
E.
Very good. It's E. N. 10. Okay. So can you separate the sounds of 10? Come on.
Yes.
N. 10. So the sound is A. A means the letter is E. So you have to write E in between T and N. Next, thank you, Sherwin. Next, Akshita. Akshita, click on Q&A option. Sanjay, click on Q&A option. Ashmita, click on Q&A option. Okay. Akshita, I unmuted you. Okay, Akshita, you are not in Q&A queue. Click at Q&A option, Akshita. Okay, Akshita. I can hear you now. Now tell me, what is the second picture you see on the screen?
Bed.
Okay, what is the sound of bed?
The.
Can you separate the sounds? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
B. E. D.
Yeah, the spelling is correct. But please, can you separate the sound?
Okay, ma'am. The. A. The. Bed.
Very good. Very good. Very good, dear Akshita. You are right. The sound of bed is b, e, d. So, the letter we have to write at the center is E.
E.
Because E has the sound E.
A.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. Sanjay. Wait. Yeah, Sanjay. I will unmute Sanjay. Sanjay, what is the third picture you are seeing on the screen?
Fan.
Okay. What is the sound of fan? Can you separate the sound of fan?
A. Fan.
Very good. It is not A. The sound of A is A. What is the sound of A? A. Very good. So, if it is A, then we should write A. F-A-N, fan. A, fan. Everyone, when I am telling the phonic sound, all others, please open your mouth and tell along with me. Okay. Thank you, dear.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Sanjay. Siddharth? Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
I unmuted you, Siddharth. Yeah. What is the picture you are seeing under 10?
Van.
Van. So,
Van.
can you tell the sound of van?
What?
Very good, Siddharth. So, what is the letter that will come at the middle?
Yeah.
A. Very good. The sound is A. So we have to write A between B and N. V. A. Van. Thank you, Siddharth. What question? Somebody is asking a question. I don't get it. Chandralekha is asking A, B, which, ma'am? What is that? Chandralekha, press the Q&A option. You can ask that doubt to me. I don't get your question in the chat box. I can't see your name in the Q&A option. You just vanished. 2 seconds before you are there, but you vanished. Okay. Tell me, dear, what's your doubt?
Which book, ma'am? A or B?
A book.
A. Thank
Okay, no need to write it down now. No, don't write it now. Just listen. Just think and listen. Every you write it. Okay. Okay, Chandralekha. So next I'm gonna call Joshit. Joshit. What is the
That's
picture
my
you can see at the center?
pen.
What is the sound
Pen.
of pen? Can you tell the
Pen.
sound?
Pen.
It is not na, it is
Mm.
P, e, pen.
Na.
Very good. Very good. Now, what is this letter that we write for the sound e?
E.
Very good. P, e, pen. P-E-N. Pen. Thank you, Joshit. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Juanita?
Yes, ma'am.
Juanita, what is the picture you see after pen? I'm sorry. Yeah. What is the picture you see after pen?
B.
Very good. So you
Tub.
can see a tub. Very good. So what is the letter we have to write at the center?
Tub.
What is the letter? What is the letter? Is the
U.
sound. Very good. Very good. Thank you, Juanita. U. The sound is b, tub, but you have to write the sound. The letter for the sound is U. So you have to write U. T-U-B, tub. Next, Akshara, I unmuted you. What is the picture you see after tub?
Lip.
Yeah. Can you tell the sound of lip?
D. L-I-P-S.
Yeah, the spelling is correct. Can you tell the sound?
E.
E.
L-E-S-E-P-S.
Lips. Try to blend the sound, dear. If you learn to blend the sound, then it will be easy for you to read. Okay? Come on, blend the sound with me. All children, come on, blend the sound with me. L.
E.
Come on.
P.
Yes. L. E. P. Lips. Okay. So E, for the sound E, we have to write the letter. Come on, everyone. All children, please type in the chat box. Stop sending emojis. Stop sending emojis. Please send answers. What is the letter that we use? What is the letter that we write for the sound E? I want answers. Kanishka, right answer.
I.
Please don't write your textbook now. Please listen. Yeah, very good, dear. Yeah, I can see the answers. Very good. It's I. E. For the sound E, we have to write I. Very good. Next, thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah. Shivangi? can talk.
Yes.
Shivangi, what is the picture you see after lips?
Lip. Bag.
Bag. What is the sound of bag?
B-A-G.
That is the spelling. What is the sound?
A.
B. A. G.
B.
Bag.
G.
B. A. G. Bag. So we have the sound A here. What letter we have to write for the sound A? Come on, write in the chat box. Yes, very good. I already some people have written the answers. Yes, you're right, Akshita. Come on, everyone type. What is the letter we use? We write for the sound A. Very good. Very good. It's A. A. So B, A, G, bag. Next. Next. Jug. The sound is J, A, G. Jug. So for the sound A, you have to write U. Okay. Okay, children. So you are all so smart. You figured out the answers already. You can write it by yourself. Good. Now see, complete the crossword puzzles using the picture clues. One has been done for you. Actually, if you see, here's a down arrow. Okay. And here's a hen. So you have to write hen from top to bottom since there is a down arrow. Okay. So the spelling of hen is H-E-N. Hen. Now see this picture. Here's a, what is this? Come on, type in the chat box. What is this? Very good, Akshita. Only Akshita knows the answer. Very good, I can see the answer. Hat. And the spelling of hat is H-A-T. The arrow is from left to right. So you have to write from left to right. H is already there, so no need to worry about that. You have to write A-T. Hat. And what is this picture? This picture starts with the letter T. Since T, we have written T in the last box. Very good, Rifaya. Rifaya found out the answer. Joshit, very good. Kanishka, Shervin, superb. Danyashri, superb. Okay. The answer is tap. So we already have written T here. You write A, P. Tap. And what is this? It starts with the letter P. What is this picture? Very good, Joshit, Rifaya, very good, Akshara, Shabari, very good. It's pot, P-O-T, pot. Now see this picture. What is it doing? We have to write from top to bottom. And it has the letter T at its end. Very good, cut, C-U-T, cut. Next, it's, what is this? Cup. Very good. So, C-U, what is this? It starts with the letter P. Pin. Very good, Joshit. P-I-N. Pin. Okay. So I am not showing the answer. I am not going to give the answer right now. It's just for your satisfaction. Children, you have to think and write. Finally, you compare the answers. Okay. So we saw singular and plural. This is one apple, and if there is more than one apple, it's apples. you have to add es at the s at the end. Also comb, you have to add s at the end. This is carrot, and these are carrots. Add s at the end. Carrot is singular, carrots are plural because there are more than 2 carrots. Kite is singular, kites are plural. And if there is ch at the end of the letter, then you should add es to make it plural. Example, peach, peaches. And also if there is sh at the end of the letter, you have to add es. Brush, brushes. This is just a revision. These slides we have all learned already. So if there is x at the end of the letter, we have to add es. Boxes. Box is singular, boxes is plural. Watch is singular, watches is plural. So what are the letters that we have to add es to make it as a plural? X, ch and sh. Okay. Ch, sh and x. Joshit, what is E, or why are you typing E? Okay. Type the correct answers. Okay. Okay, Akshara. Okay. Now, look at the picture clues. Complete the crossword puzzle with the plural forms of the words. One has been done for you. See, across means you have to write from left to right. Okay. Across means write from left to right. Down means write from top to bottom. Here some pictures are given. You have to write it in its plural. Be careful, you have to write it in its plural. For example, they have given number 14. Number 14 is ribbon. So you have to write ribbons. R-I-B-B-O-N-S. Ribbons. Okay. Now see, the second picture is number 2. It's a bird. See, number 2, you have to write across. Don't write top to bottom, you have to write across. B-I-R-D-S. Bird. Okay. B-I-R-D-S. Bird. Next, box. What is the plural of box? Come on, type in the chat box. It ends with the letter X. Okay, very good, Jaden. Only Jaden knows the answer of the plural of box. Very good, very good. I can see good answers. Jaden, Akshita, Kanishka, Hari Prasad, Sabarish, Akshara, Sana, Dhiran. Very good, very good, very good, children. What about others? Yeah, everyone try. So, it's boxes. B-O-X-E-S. You have to write a number. Which number you have to write? Can you see the number? Which number, children? Yes, very good. 5. Here number 5 is given here, so we write a B-O-X-E-S. Next, it's a girl. Number 6. Find number 6. Then you have to write girls. G-I-R-L-S. Number 8 is egg. So write eggs. Number 8 is here. E-G-G-S. Or number 9 is orange. That means plural is oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S. Number 9 is here. Number 10 is clouds. Here you may get a confusion whether it is clouds or sky. Then don't worry, it is number 10. Number 10 is here. You can see from top to bottom. What is given number 10? Chair. So it definitely starts with C. So this is clouds, not sky. So you can write C-L-O-U-D-S. And from we solved this as well. You can write that also. Chairs. C-H-A-I-R-S. Chairs. Next, number 12 is dress. The plural is dresses. D-R-E-S-S-E-S. Note, you have to write E-S for make dresses as plural. Be careful for that. Next, number 13 is glass. You have to write glasses. G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses. Next, ribbon. The plural is ribbon. The plural of tree is trees. See, you have to, number 1, you have to write from top to bottom. T-R-E-E-S. Number 2, book. You have to write book. Number 2, B-O-O-K-S. Next, water. Number 3, where is number 3? It's bottle, sorry. Bottles. The plural is bottles. B-O-T-T-L-E-S. Bottles. Next, house. Plural is houses. Brush. Brushes. Chair. Chairs. Bag. Bag. Okay. Sorry, I had to hurry up. Our time is almost over. Okay. So you just try. Give it a good try. I'll put the answer keys later. Please don't copy. It's no use. You think. You all are so brilliant children, right? You all have brilliant minds. Okay. So give it a good try. You can do it. Okay, children. So thank you. That's all for today. Wait a second. Our ma'am is not here today, it seems. Ma'am, are you there? Padma ma'am? Yeah. Okay, sorry. It's in Q&A. We don't have homework today. You have to do this book back exercises. So I will give you I will put the worksheets in the Google class later. You can have that PDF as a reference and you can do the book back exercise. Those who don't have the textbook with you, you can use the worksheet. You can use the PDF as a worksheet. Padma ma'am, do you want to take attendance?
South.
Padma ma'am? Ma'am?